Let's talk about something many women experience but often hesitate to discuss: changes in the intimate health. If you've noticed dryness, discomfort, loss of sensation, or even urinary leakage, I want you to know that you are not alone, and more importantly, there is a non invasive, non surgical solution to it. Life brings so many beautiful changes: motherhood, maturity, and new phases of womanhood. But with these changes, our bodies also go through transformation that can impact your confidence, comfort, and quality of life. Maybe intimacy feels different. Maybe you experience discomfort while exercising, or perhaps you have noticed occasional urinary leaks, cough, laugh, or sneeze, or strain. These are all completely normal, but that doesn't mean you have to live with them all through your life. At Anand Lotus Laser, we specialize in helping women restore their confidence and well-being through laser vaginal rejuvenation. We use European, non-invasive, safest USFDA-approved lasers to treat our patients. This is a revolutionary, groundbreaking, non-surgical, pain-free procedure which uses advanced technology to restore natural tightness, improves lubrication, and strengthens the vaginal tissue. Not just that, it enhances the sensations, improving the intimate pleasures and gratifications for both the partners, as well as takes care of urinary leakages issues effectively. Non surgery, no downtime, just a walk in, walk out lunch break procedure, just real lasting results. As we age, collagen, essential protein that takes our skin and tissues firm, starts to decline. Pregnancy, hormonal changes, and even menopause can accelerate this process, leading to vaginal laxity, a feeling of looseness that affects confidence, intimacy, gratification for both the partners. Decrease in sensation, decrease in intimate pleasures, chronic dryness, making everyday activity and intimacy a very uncomfortable event, recurrent vaginal infections and inflammations, urinary incontinence, leaks when you cough, sneeze, or work out, pain during intimacy, leading to frustration and emotional distress. The laser vaginal rejuvenation gently stimulates your body's natural healing process and whereby collagen remolding process is initiated, restoring the tightness, elasticity, hydration, improved sensation, and the function. So you can feel more like you again. Many of my patients come to me feeling hesitant, wondering if they should just accept these changes as a part of aging. But here's the truth: you don't have to settle for discomfort. Whether you have just had a baby, are approaching menopause, or simply want to feel more confident and in control of your body again, our laser vaginal rejuvenation treatment is designed just rightly to help you with at most safety. It's time to prioritize you because when you feel good from inside out, it transforms every aspect of life: your confidence, your comfort. And if you are ready to take the first step towards reclaiming your confidence, I invite you to schedule a private consultation. Let's have a conversation about what's right for you. Your body deserves care, your confidence deserves attention, and you deserve to feel amazing at every stage of life. So click the link below to book your consultation today and let's start this journey together.